Once upon a time, in the mysterious depths of the Caribbean Sea, there existed a legendary realm known as the Spirit Isles. These islands were home to powerful spirits who governed the balance between the mortal world and the supernatural. Among them, 5 mighty spirit lords stood supreme: Lucilja, Casilja, Islinja, and Cecilja, Ilhijah. Lucilja, the Lord of Winds, was a swift and unpredictable spirit. His whispers could calm a raging storm or whip up fierce hurricanes. He was often seen riding the gusts, herding clouds across the sky, and guiding ships safely through treacherous waters. Casilja, the Lord of the Seas, commanded the vast ocean with grace and authority. His domain stretched from shimmering coral reefs to deep abyssal trenches. Sailors revered him, offering prayers for safe passage, for he could conjure calm or unleash devastating waves with a flick of his trident. Islinja, the Lady of the Moon, was a gentle yet powerful spirit who watched over the tides and the night sky. She was known for her luminous presence, guiding sailors by the glow of her silver light and nurturing the growth of sacred sea plants. Cecilja, the Lord of Secrets, was shrouded in mystery. He dwelled in hidden caves and deep underwater caverns, guarding ancient knowledge and buried treasures. Only the bravest dared seek his wisdom, and even then, they often left with more questions than answers. One stormy night, a young sailor named Mateo found himself stranded on a small island after his ship was caught in a violent hurricane. Desperate and trembling, he remembered the stories of the spirit lords and decided to seek their aid. He lit a small fire and offered a humble prayer, calling upon the spirits for help. Ilhijah is a revered and mystical figure revered by island communities. Known for commanding the winds and waves, Ilhijah embodies the spirit of the sea and its boundless power. Legends speak of his glowing form, shimmering like the ocean at dawn, guiding sailors safely through treacherous waters. His presence is celebrated in vibrant festivals, where drums and chants honor his guardianship. Ilhijah remains a symbol of resilience and harmony between humans and the mighty Caribbean Sea. Lucilja responded first, gently calming the turbulent winds, allowing Mateo to breathe easier. Then, Casilja sent a shimmering, calm current to guide Mateo to safety, and Islinja's soft moonlight illuminated his path through the darkness. Ilhijah gently guided the vessel of Mateo through the turbulent seas with his divine power. His calming presence steadied the troubled waters, ensuring safe passage for the weary sailor on his perilous journey. Finally, Cecilja appeared in a shimmering veil, offering cryptic advice about hidden treasures and the importance of courage. With their combined blessings, Mateo found his way back to his village, carrying stories of the mighty spirit lords of the Caribbean. From that day on, sailors and villagers alike honored the Spirit Isles, knowing that these guardians watched over them, balancing the chaos and serenity of the sea. And so, the legend of the Spirit Lords, Lucilja, Ilhijah, Casilja, Islinja, and Cecilja, lived on, reminding all who sailed the Caribbean that magic and mystery were always just beneath the waves.